Welcome to AI with Shaylee. I'm your host, Shailendra Kumar, here to bring you the freshest and most fascinating developments from the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into the rapidly evolving universe of neural radiance fields, or NeRF, an area that's reshaping how we capture and recreate three dimensional scenes. Imagine you're sitting on your couch with just your iPhone, and within minutes, you create a stunning three dimensional model of your living room. No fancy equipment needed. Thanks to startups like Luma AI, what used to feel like science fiction is now in your pocket. This is part of the recent surge in NeRF technology becoming more accessible and practical for everyday creators. But here's the twist. While traditional NeRF approaches have wowed us for years with photorealistic novel view synthesis, a contender called three-dimensional Gaussian splatting, or three-dimensional GS, is stealing the spotlight. It's gaining momentum as the new go-to framework for rendering three-dimensional scenes with speed and flexibility, outpacing classic NeRF models in popularity and research. It's a bit like watching a thrilling new player enter the ring and quickly climb the ranks. And the research community isn't slowing down. New papers pop up almost daily, blending generative AI with NeRF to create faster, more accurate, and scalable models capable of handling complex dynamic scenes. Whether it's embedding watermark like invisible messages with Stega NeRF for security, editable scene properties with intrinsic NeRF, or tackling tricky refractive surfaces and moving objects with dynamic mesh aware radiance fields and NeRFrac. Innovation is buzzing on all fronts. Why does all this matter? From augmented reality adventures to autonomous robots navigating our world, these breakthroughs drive practical AI solutions that will soon affect how we interact with digital and physical environments alike. It's a bit like giving AI a new set of eyes and the creative powers of an expert sculptor combined. Here's a bonus tip for creators and developers dabbling in this space. Keep an eye on hybrid models that combine NeRF with Gaussian splatting techniques. The fusion promises the best of both worlds in terms of quality and speed, kind of like having your AI cake and eating it too. Now, here's a question for you. As these three-dimensional reconstruction technologies become simpler and more widespread, how do you think they will change the way we capture memories or explore virtual worlds? I'd love to hear your thoughts. To close with a quote, something I often reflect on in AI research from the visionary Alan Turing: we can only see a short distance ahead, but we can see plenty there that needs to be done. And in NeRF research, that short distance is accelerating every day. Stay connected with me on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium, where I share more insights, tutorials, and news on AI trends. If you enjoyed this segment, please subscribe, share your perspectives in the comments, and let's keep the conversation alive. This is Shailendra Kumar signing off from AI with Shaylee, your window into the future of artificial intelligence. Until next time, keep questioning, keep creating.